What about octahedral? What about tetrahedral? Right? This is what? What is this? This is tetrahedral. This is octahedral. This is octahedral. In tetrahedral, octahedral opposite tetrahedral. Okay, these are lower energy dxy, dyz, dzx. Okay, these are the lower energy dx square, y square, dz square. These are higher energy. Why happens higher energy? Higher energy that is the reason is repulsive of ligands. Repulsive of ligands. Repulsive between dx square, y square, dz square with ligands. That's why these are jump to higher energy state. Remaining dx, these are the attraction between ligands and the orbitals. What happened? These settle down lower energy, more stability, more stable. Opposite. Here is the ligands approach along the axis. That's why this structure is formed. Here is what happened. The ligands approach in between axis. What is that? In between axis. That's why in between axis orbitals and ligands is formed more repulsive. More repulsive. That's why it is jump to higher energy state. Jump to higher energy state. This is the higher energy state. dxy, dyz, dzx as higher energy. Remaining is what? Dx square, y square, dz square what? These are lower energy. Lower energy. Yes. And octahedral opposite is tetrahedral. That's what. Why? Because here ligands is approach along the axis. Here ligands is approach in between axis. That is the main reason is the splitting of the orbital. Right? First splitting of electrons in lower energy, then the next higher energy. Here also same. Splitting first here, next there. That is the octahedral and tetrahedral structure. Right? What about remaining things? Okay. One more important thing is what? Yeah. Square planar field. Energy levels of d orbital in square planar. What about square planar? What is the square planar? Square planar means square planar. What is square planar? What is square planar? Okay, suppose this is the square planar. Okay, this box is square planar, right? I'll show an example. This is the square planar, right? The ligands approach along the axis here, 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 here. But we assume so. This is the z-axis. Okay, one is the y-axis, one is the x-axis. Remaining is the s. This is the z-axis. What is z-axis? Generally, no approach the ligand to the z-axis orbital. No repulsive. Why? Because these are the along the axis. Square planar is explained. Okay, up to here, what is that? This is the octahedral. In this place, what happened? Z-axis is absence. What you assume? Z-axis is absent. Okay, Z-axis absence means what happened? The ligands not approach the Z-axis orbitals. That is the important point. Not approach like this. Okay? Now here is the X and Y only, not Z-axis touches the ligands. That's why what happened? The Z orbitals, dz square, dxz, and dyz are settled in lower energy. Why say lower energy? That reason is only more attraction between ligands and orbitals, right? This is dz square, this is xz, this is yz. These are getting lower energy. Remaining dx square, y square is higher energy. and here is this is also dxy upper level, but that is the dxy. This is more repulsive. These two are more repulsive. Dx square y square and dz square dxy are the more repulsive. That's why it is settled in a higher energy state. Okay, remaining is settled down as like yes downwards. Dz square is downward, dyz is downward, and remaining is what? D. What is this? Dz square, dyz, dz square, dyz, dxz also. Yes, lower energy. These are the lower energy state. Lower energy, right? This is the barrier. This is a square planar. This is the square planar. Delta S. Delta S. Okay, these are two orbitals are more repulsive. Remaining are not more repulsive because of absence of z axis. Absence of z axis. That is the region. These are settled down. Lower energy. Lower energy. Lower energy, right? That is the important one. Lower energy. Okay, suppose this is the same square planar. Okay, in octahedral, what happened? Electrons this side, this side, this side, this side, and along the axis, z axis also, electrons are approach to the metallia. But in square planar is what? Electrons approaches this side and this side and this side. But z axis is absent. This is absent. Z axis. This is the z axis is absent. No approach the ligands to the why? Because z axis completely absent. We are assumed. That's why we can write this splitting of orbitals. Dx square y square is high energy, dxy is the high energy, right? Yes, lower state. Remaining are what happened? Lower energy state. Lower energy state. That's why we can write like this, right? This is the important. Okay, this is this is tetrahedral. Opposite is octahedral. Yes, z axis is absent. This structure is right like this. Yes, this is the dxy. Okay, this is what is that? Dx dyz dyz dy. Yes, these are upper delta. This is the higher state. Remaining is lower state. This is the yz. This is the yz also here. Yz xz. This is the xz. This is the xz, right? These are three are lower energy and these two are higher energy. Why? Because z axis is option. That's why draw the diagram like this. Draw the diagram like this. That is the important of the structure. This is the square planar. This is the square planar. That is the region. This is the octahedral. This is the tetrahedral. This is a square planar. That is important, right? If any doubts, please ask me. Tomorrow I will give the get homework. Please draw the 3 diagrams and post in WhatsApp, right? That is the work. Thank you. Okay, this is the square planar. Okay, square planar is mainly z axis options. We draw the